Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of unique wooden functional art. If you appreciate creativity that marries beauty and utility, you're in for a treat. We'll explore various stunning pieces that not only serve a purpose but also elevate the aesthetics of any space. From intricately designed furniture to eye-catching kitchenware, these artworks showcase the incredible versatility of wood. So, let's get inspired by the fusion of artistry and functionality in wooden creations. Here are some unique wooden functional art ideas that beautifully blend creativity with utility. 1. Sculptural furniture, coffee tables with artistic bases. Create a coffee table that features a sculptural base, such as twisted or abstract designs, while maintaining a glass or wooden top for functionality. Chairs with organic shapes, design chairs that mimic natural forms, like tree branches or waves, providing comfort and an artistic statement. 2. Artistic kitchen utensils, hand-carved spoons and spatulas. Craft one-of-a-kind kitchen utensils that highlight intricate designs or natural wood grains. Unique cutting boards. Create cutting boards in unconventional shapes or with embedded art, such as resin or color contrasts. 3. Decorative storage solutions, artistic shelving units. Design shelves that incorporate artistic elements, like asymmetrical shapes or carved details, transforming storage into a focal point. Stylized boxes. Make decorative storage boxes that feature carvings or pyrography, ideal for organizing small items while serving as art pieces. 4. Lighting fixtures, wooden pendant lights. Create pendant lights with intricately cut wooden shades that cast beautiful shadows. Table lamps with sculptural bases. Design table lamps where the base is a piece of art, integrating wood into the overall aesthetic. Wall art with function, wooden wall hooks. Craft wall hooks in artistic shapes like animals or abstract forms that serve as both functional and decorative elements. Key holders with artistic flair. Create key holders that incorporate wood carvings, making them both practical and visually appealing. 6. Garden art, functional birdhouses. Design birdhouses that are not only homes for birds but also works of art, featuring unique shapes and decorative elements. Planters with artistic designs. Create planters that incorporate carvings or artistic motifs, enhancing the beauty of your garden or indoor plants. 7. Creative coasters and trivets, artistic coaster sets. Craft coasters with different designs or textures, turning a simple item into a conversation piece. Unique trivets. Design trivets that reflect artistic themes, such as geometric shapes or nature-inspired motifs. 8. Multifunctional art pieces, convertible furniture. Create pieces that can serve multiple purposes, like a bench that can be transformed into a table or storage unit. Artistic room dividers. Design room dividers that provide privacy while showcasing artistic designs, effectively blending beauty and functionality. 9. Personalized items. Custom engraved items. Offer personalized wooden items, such as engraved cutting boards or coasters, making them special gifts that combine art and utility. Unique name plaques. Create decorative name plaques that serve as both identifiers and artistic expressions for homes or businesses. 10. Interactive art, puzzle furniture. Design furniture that can be disassembled and reassembled, encouraging interaction while serving a practical purpose. Artistic games. Create wooden games, like chess or backgammon, where the board and pieces are crafted as unique art pieces. These ideas showcase the incredible versatility of wood as a medium for creating functional art that enriches everyday life while making a stylish statement. Here are additional unique Here are additional unique wooden functional art ideas to inspire your creativity. 11. Musical instruments, custom wooden ukuleles or guitars. Craft musical instruments with unique designs that not only sound great but also serve as beautiful decor. Artistic wooden drums. Create hand-carved drums that feature intricate patterns, making them both functional and visually striking. 12. Wooden clocks, sculptural wall clocks. Design clocks that double as wall art, using unconventional shapes and wood finishes to tell time in style. Tabletop clocks with artistic bases. Create unique tabletop clocks that feature artistic bases, incorporating natural wood grains and textures. 13. Functional art for kids. Playful toy storage. Design colorful and whimsical wooden storage units for toys that encourage organization while enhancing play areas. Interactive learning toys. Create educational toys, like puzzles or building blocks, that are not only fun but also serve as decorative items. 14. Wooden planters with character. Animal-shaped planters. Craft planters in the shape of animals or whimsical characters, adding charm to any indoor or outdoor space. Hanging wooden planters. Design hanging planters that incorporate artistic elements, such as carved designs or unique shapes. 15. Artistic pet accessories. Stylish pet bowls and feeders. Create elevated pet feeders or bowls that blend seamlessly with home decor while providing functionality. Wooden pet beds. Design pet beds that feature artistic frames, turning a functional item into a statement piece. 16. Wooden serving boards. Charcuterie boards with artistic details. Craft serving boards that have carved patterns or unique shapes, perfect for entertaining. Personalized serving platters. Create custom serving platters that can be engraved with names or designs, making them ideal for gifts. (17) Artistic room decor. Wooden wall art panels. Design large wall panels made from wood that create texture and depth, serving as striking focal points in a room. Multifunctional mirrors. Create mirrors with artistic wooden frames that incorporate shelves or hooks, blending beauty with function. 18. Unique door handles and knobs. Artistic door hardware. Craft door handles or knobs in creative shapes that add character to cabinets and doors. Custom drawer pulls. Design unique drawer pulls that serve as small art pieces, enhancing the overall aesthetic of furniture. 19. Wooden yoga blocks and accessories. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the realm of unique wooden functional art. We hope you found inspiration in the beautiful ways wood can be transformed into practical yet artistic pieces. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting art and design content. Remember, great art can enhance our everyday lives. Let's continue to celebrate the creativity around us. Until next time, sculptural yoga blocks. Create yoga blocks that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, incorporating unique shapes and finishes. Meditation benches. Design meditation benches that feature artistic elements, adding beauty to a calming space. 20. Seasonal decor. Decorative wooden ornaments. Craft seasonal ornaments that can be displayed year-round, adding a touch of art to home decor. Artistic wreaths. Create wooden wreaths that incorporate carvings or painted designs, perfect for decorating doors or walls. These ideas demonstrate the limitless possibilities of combining functionality with artistic expression in wooden creations, making everyday items not just useful, but also beautiful.